Man, what's good, what's good, what's good? We about to hit the fucking creek right now, you know what I'm saying? Got a homie out there already, you know what I'm saying? About to pull up on him, you know what I'm saying? We about to go fee. This shit popping out there more folk.
Hey, social media. So they say you call a booster, but she still close. 10 years in the making, that don't mean it. You set up to get robbed. Yeah, I know niggas killing, but can't get robbed. Hey, he done thought about getting on the boat with his ride. The mirrors.
What the fuck? What the fuck? It's a motherfucking deer out this bitch, nigga. Oh shit, what the fuck, nigga? Oh, what the fuck, nigga?
Why are you running? Yeah? What?
That bitch probably hopped him up. Damn, bro, that's crazy as hell, nigga. It's fucking 3 o'clock in the fucking evening, bro. 2 o'clock, nigga. Seeing deers and shit. What the fuck? But yeah, all right, so shit, we just got to this bitch. Now I'm just about to get the pose out, and I'm actually about to bring my boat this time, shit. And we about to take this walk back to meet the homies and shit. All right, man, we'll see y'all niggas out there, bro. All right, boom. So we out here. We got another day of fishing going, but oh shit, the fuck. We on the right side this time, you know what I'm saying? We on the correct fucking side this time, you know what I'm saying? So, should be way more fucking fun than last time. Fuck it though. I just want to come fish, bro. But we out here, bro. Just a walk, as usual. Regular shit, feel me? Other direction, clearly, obviously. Fuck the other side. Man, let's get it, bro. Fuck. God damn, bro, we almost at this bitch now. Home fucking stretch, bro. Yeah. This nigga already shooting in that bitch. You're boy, what you boy? Huh? Boy? We out here, boy.
Got me a good little size for bait.
Bird bait. Dude, we come over too, man. Dude, we come too, man. Damn, what happened to all the guardos out here?
I don't know, the bitches ain't out here. Them hoes out here?
I didn't come over here.
They was out here yesterday?
I didn't come over here, bro.
Oh shit, he was on the other side.
That shit is dog shit.
The other side?
That shit is ass, bro.
Like bad?
Like fucking terrible, bro. Hey, this the side, nigga. This the side, bro. This the side.
All them damn carp though.
Oh shit, there's a guy right there.
Yeah, I know, in the water.
Hell yeah.
The biggest hell too.
That's probably one of these shits. Cause somebody put them in there, bro. Ain't no way like them shits is.
Nah, cause the water went down. Like,
yeah.
The water went down for sure.
That's what I'm peeping. Trying to get like that, ain't it? First things first, nigga. You gotta hydrate, nigga.
Bro, what? I did the exact same thing on camera too. I was talking about hydration.
Yeah.
I was sweating like a motherfucker. I be bringing all this shit out there, and you be bringing like not that much shit, bro.
Shit, bro. All right, fuck. We about to set this bitch up. I'm about to get up out there, bro. I'm about to try to get a cat, bro. Nah, no cap, I feel that, bro. God damn, bro. Fuck. No, I cannot.
Oh my God, Alou, not again.
Bro, I'll literally put it on the other bank, bro, under that tree, bro.
Sony might look like baloney, all she eat is cat.
Bitch been sucking dick for so damn long until her knees are out. When she get hungry, my dick like bologna, all she eat is cock. Fresh from out the
You seen me so long. Yup. Give me it. And my boy, it is catfish time, boy. It's catfish time, my boy. Oh, shit, whatever.
Oh my God, Alou, not again.
Now we will just wait, right? That's all we can do, right? We wait. Yeah, I got you. Come on, man. Come on.
Under the trees, bro. You ran me on the trees, I got them out though.
Oh yeah. Get that. It's a cat, bruh. It's a cat, bruh. It's a cat, bruh. Let's go. That's a big bitch too, bruh. That's a big bitch too, what? Yes, sir, Ski.
Boy, we wouldn't even go no guard, bro. He said, hey!
Let's
Bro, I
go.
got 3 brim on the. I got that hoe on video too, bro.
Bro.
I got 3 brim on that side, bro.
Nigga, say no more, bro. Bro, I was dead ass just about to throw that bit,
Bro,
like over there, bro. Like I was just thinking, I was like, bro, I'm about to throw that bitch. All of a sudden, I just see your ride, bro. That joint, like, dead ass was like sliding, bro. And I'm like, oh shit, like, get your ass over here, boy.
he said, yeah.
And we said, let it run with it. I'm like, nigga, that shit gone, nigga.
Hold on.
That shit gone, nigga.
Dang,
What?
Bro. This is my first cat in a brick, bro.
That bitch,
That's
bro.
my first cat in a brick.
That hoe's dummy, bro. Good shit, bro. What the fuck? Hell yeah, bro. That boy got a monster whopper. Oh shit, bro. What the fuck? Oh,
The hoe came out?
I think the hook fucking broke.
No shot, bro.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck, bro?
What?
Yo, fam. Bro, the weight on that bitch was crazy. That's that bitch that I want.
Crazy.
That's the bitch that I want, bro. That's that bitch I want right there, bro. That big bitch, bro.
That shit is crazy.
That big
That
bitch.
hoe was a cat?
That big bitch.
You said
I
that
think
was a
so.
cat?
Cause it like the way the type of hook I had.
You only had a single hook? Or
Yeah, I had a single hook.
Oh shit.
So that bitch was like, it was hooked. Like it wasn't like fucking like, nah, that bitch was hooked, bro. Oh my shit, bro. God damn. Right back out there, bro. Gotta get right back out, bro. Shit, bro. Fuck. I just rebaited up. No cap. Brim on that bit again, and we about to get back in that same fucking spot. This time we gonna make sure that shit don't come off, man. We about to make it happen, Cam. Goddamn.
Oh my God, Alou, not again.
Finally, bro. I want to keep running though. I think it's normal. So I just try to set the hook like a motherfucker, just yank that bitch.
You said what?
Yank that bitch.
I don't know, bro.
Just wanna take the hoe. Keep running, keep running.
You got it?
I think so.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get a bow. Oh,
Dude, he's not small, bro. He's not small, bro.
get that. Oh my God.
Hey, you had another, you had a...
I had like a split second shot, bro. Oh, that bitch was not small, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, his head was not small, bro. His head was not small.
Oh, what the fuck, bro?
I hooked his ass too, bro.
You did?
Hell yeah.
He like ripped that bitch off?
Him like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm like, dang.
That boy said it's a monster.
Nah, not even, bro.
Goddamn creek monster, goddamn boy.
Stupid ass.
Boy said ain't a river monster.
You hear me Wade looking at, boy.
Boy, stayed watching that shit, bro. That boy used to go to Taiwan, boy, and catch some crazy
Stingrays,
shit.
bro. What the fuck, bro?
But I know he was on the water forever, bro. That nigga was on the water for days, bro.
Yeah, bro, for sure.
Sleeping on a fucking campsite, goddamn.
Damn, bro. Ass.
And next time I'm just gonna shoot that bitch, bro.
The hoe was like close for a split second, bro. I seen that hoe and I was like, damn. That hoe was gone, just like as quick as it was close.
Dang. Hell no.
Top right there.
I ain't even see that bitch.
Was 5.5 all day, bro. No fucking half.
Boy, that shit scared the fuck out of me, bro.
What?
You fucking throwing that bitch, bro. I was like, bro, what the fuck?
Holy shit, I ain't see it from now. I'm about to be like, bro, you should go.
I mean, as I keep looking up, bro, I be about to say something, bro. I be about to be like, Tom, bro, I be about to be like, bro, your shit going. Then I have to look around and be like, oh, nah, it's right there.
Oh, God.
Before I say some shit, because on me, I'd be like, bro, your shit gone. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Hey, your shit gone for real. Your shit moving for real, though. Your shit moving for real. That shit gone. That shit actually gone.
You hit record on the GoPro?
Yeah, I already got it recorded. Oh, yours?
Mine?
I got you.
Hell nah.
Oh, my.
It's on the single hook, bro. Guard's just gonna spit out
Spit that bitch out, yeah.
like 10 out of 10 times.
Oh, shit. Now my shit busting. That shit jumping. That shit jumping. There it is. I can't tell. Is that bitch running or is that bitch?
I can't tell, bro. I'll just wait.
Bro, I think it is, bro.
You think it's running?
I think so, bro.
I think.
Yeah. Oh, come on, bro.
Hello?
Oh, that's bitch small, ain't it? Oh!
Is it gar?
Oh shit. Come on, bro.
You good.
I'm trying to get that hoe under your pole, bro.
Hell yeah.
Hit that bitch, bro. Come on, bro. We got this bitch, bro. Come on.
Where is he?
He's going, hold on.
I don't have a good shot, bro. I do not have a good shot, bro.
God, bro. I'm trying to like tire this nigga out, bro.
I know. You're good. Take your time, bro. Don't rush him, bro.
I let him take mine.
Okay. You're gonna have to reel again, though.
Yeah.
He's just gonna go, bro. You just have to let him go.
Hey, you move your pole. That nigga's taking fucking line, bro.
Are you on?
Yeah, I'm still on. Hold up. Oh, God.
You good. Let him go. Don't try to fight him too much.
Bro, what the fuck? Come on, bro. I'm trying to take them up slow. You're gonna be tired, bro. Almost, bro. I told you, bro. You thought I was bullshitting, bro.
I know.
Come on, bro. Come on. Get that bitch.
No! The hoe is in his tail, bro. The hoe is in his tail, bro. You seen that?
Bro, I'm about Come on, man. Let's fucking go, big. Let's go.
Shit.
Got that motherfucker. Oh, God damn, boy. God damn, boy. Now you better toss this motherfucker, boy.
Throw that back in. Yo, yeah, he gone.
That boy out of there, boy. Let's get it, take two, boy. Damn. Yeah, I fucked that up. Boy, can we get another one?
What did you think about the ride?
It was great, and apparently I've never been on live television before, but apparently sometimes I don't watch the news because I'm a kid, and apparently Grandpa just gives me the remote after we watch the Powerball.
It's the Powerball.
Tell me about the ride. What did you think about the ride?
Well, it was great.
Why?
Because apparently you're spinning around, and apparently every time you get dizzy,
Yeah.
that's all you do is get dizzy.
Is it fun?
Yeah. And I've never ever been on live television. I never ever be on live television.
Are you excited?
Yeah, and apparently I already went down the super slide. When I went down the one, I was scared half to death. I just freak out.
Okay.
What I need his name. Hi, honey. Hold on. Yep. Hold on. I'm just gonna ask him. What's his name?
Noah.
Noah. What's your last name?
Dick Ritter.
How do you spell his last name?
Ritter, R-I-T-T-E-R.
Okay. Where are you guys from?
Wilkes-Barre.
Wilkes-Barre. All right, buddy. Good stuff. Have fun.